What's up, everybody? Welcome back to a whole new video. As you all can see, we have some boxes right here for Human Made, and I have another box up under these Human Made boxes that I'll show y'all at the end of the video. But again, we got a big Human Made unboxing. I've been buying stuff over the past month. Yeah, I know I've been MIA for 2 weeks, but I needed those 2 weeks off just to get things done, processed, and just be consistent and busy in other things that I'm trying to do as well too. Help complement this YouTube channel. Yeah, that's why I've been going for 2 weeks. Just busy at work and getting other things done. But I am back. I ain't gonna leave y'all for too long. But I have a lot of stuff to show y'all. But if you are new, hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed. I would really like it. I just hit 600 subs. I got 400 more to go, y'all. 400 more subs to go. It's been a crazy, year and a half since I've been doing YouTube. Just fun, meeting new people, starting up a little small community, having relationships with new people, networking and things like that. So it's been a year and a half so far. I think it'd be 2 years. Yeah, it'd be 2 years in August. I think August would be 2 years. So yeah, we got a lot of boxes. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 boxes to unbox. I didn't want to bring my clothing rack down here like I did before because I was just too lazy. So I just unbox everything and I just put these boxes in the storage room when I'm done. When I resell, I put everything back in a box and send it out to the people that bought my tees or whatever I'm selling. But anyway, we're gonna get right to the videos. Enough talking. Let's get right into it. All right, first, I wanna get to the blue boxes. Let me show you what I got. Let me show y'all how many boxes we looking at right now. We have these boxes all right here and the yellow boxes, and we have another New Balance. It's like the third New Balance. But with that being, hold up. Oh, I like that angle better. But with that being said, we're gonna get right into it. We're gonna do the tees first, and then we're gonna get to the blue boxes. So I had to buy these individually because I just hate how they set it up on the website. I was trying to buy all of them at once, but it wouldn't let me. So I had to do it individually. So that shit me when it came to the shipping. So it's whatever. We're gonna get right to the first tee, and the first tee is this one right here. I will be reselling this on my GRAILED page because I already like the one that I already have, so I'm gonna just resell this one. So this tee right here is another Bulldog tee. I really like this. I like it, but it's not something I'm gonna just wear. So I just decided to resell it. And again, if y'all want to cop, just let me know. I'll give y'all a really good price on the resale side. But I decided to cop it just cause it's just a dope tee and I just like the art style, but it ain't something that I'm gonna wear because I prefer the other Bulldog tee more. So I don't wanna have too much of those. Who that? All right, now you got back quick. Oh, no wonder. That JD, y'all, he just got back. Anyway, next box. If I know you want a quick trip, I would told you to get me something.
I got a BLT with some chips.
Bro, they be giving me a whole bunch of these little, like every package I get these down. Bro, get off me. Get off me, bro. You touching me too much. Dang, I should have told you to bring me something. But anyway, they keep giving out these little shampoo packages. I got a whole bunch of them now, bro. I got too many. But another tee that I got from Human Made would be, I think this may be the last tee, or the last one that I get. If they come out with a black one, then I'll just get that one, I'll be done. But I got the Storm Cowboy dated tee. As you can see, this is like the forest green colorway. And of course, y'all know forest green, army green, olive is one of my favorite colors. So I had to get this one, and I may just take a little break on getting more of these. Cause I just like this design. This is like a classic Human Made logo. So I just really like it. And then also, I believe these tees are completely different from, this tee, like I think these, I don't know if Nigo switched tees. I don't know, but they still had the same texture to them, like in the feel. I don't know, they just look kind of different to me. I don't know how to explain it. But we get to the next tee. Another one of these. If y'all want these like shampoo packs, bruh, I ain't gonna even bother shipping. It's just stupid. But anyway, next tee. I will be reselling this one. The next 2 tees I will be reselling. So yeah, it'll be up on my GRAILED page. And maybe sooner or later I'll have my own like website where y'all can just go directly and buy from and not have to worry about this. Okay, now looking at this in person, I'm keeping it. And I may wear this shit tonight because I got a date tonight. But I got a dinner date tonight. So yeah, it just says Human Made right here. Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, I'm keeping this after I've seen it in person. Cause on the backside, that's what it's about. It's just about the backside. Cause you'll see this right here. That's fire, bro. This is fire. This shit go hard, yo. I just like the simplicity of the graphic. It just look like one of those Saturday morning cartoons I used to watch when I grow up with that art style. And it just says "Give your features a teenager" at the bottom. And yeah, I probably wear this tonight when I go out to dinner. I may. Yeah, I'm keeping this. I'm keeping it. I ain't giving that away, but I will be giving this one away. We're not giving it away, but I will be reselling it. So the next, god damn, there it is. Next tee. Oh, I got another tee to show y'all too. I forgot. It's right here, and I had bought it off GRAILED. So, next tee that I got is a simple old. You see, that's why I hate doing unboxings, because of this shit. It's just all this crap beside me now. All right, so we got a simple old human-made t-shirt, and I believe it's like a redesign of their old design they used to have. So they just redesigned it and they gave like a newer look. Got that navy blue with that yellow. Can't go wrong, those complementary colors. And on the back, it says dry balls. I'm just kidding. It says dry balls on the back. Simple tee, reselling it. It will be on my GRAILED page. I have a link down below to my GRAILED page. I want to check out what I have up, because I do have a couple of things up right now for sale. And if you are a sub and you seeing this, let me know, and I'll give you a better price. Like I'll drop the price. If you a sub and you want one of the tees that's my GRAILED account, just DM me on GRAILED. Let me know, yo, I follow you on IG. Not IG, I follow you on YouTube. And then just give me an offer. Nothing crazy. Don't give me like a stupid offer where I'm like, bro, I'm not even finna bother entertaining this. But they give me something good, and I give you a better offer than I would give like anybody else that will try to buy it on the website from me. So though, nope, I got one more tee. It's like this one, I'm cool with this one because I'm selling my other one, the tiger head. Like if you remember my old video, they came out with the tiger head tee, and it was like from that old product that they redesigned the design from. So I'm like, I'm gonna cop the older version of, like, I just like this tee. Let me just say it. Okay, yes, it's faded, it's worn, it's used. I'm fine with that. But I just really like this design overall when it comes to this tiger. Yes, it's faded. But, Moon, what do you want? Kitten right here below me. He been a badass lately. If you've been seeing my stories on IG, see, he trying to hit the damn tee. He look bad, bro. But yeah, I'm selling my other tiger head tee. It's on my GRAILED account. And I'm gonna sell that one to keep this one. So I had to cop this off GRAILED. I got it for a really good price. It was going for like $100, and I just made an offer of $90, free shipping. Homie sent it. Even though I already know the shipping was already included with the price of the damn shirt. It's cool with me. It's whatever. Also, I didn't show y'all. Well, y'all seen it if you seen my New Balance video in my IG page. I did went ahead and go and bought the bucket hat with the duck camo print on it, the brown. So it complements this pillow as well. So hey, so I had to get the bucket hat because it's summertime. I actually been wearing it because I thought I wouldn't look right in it, but I'm like, okay, I guess my head do fit this and it make me look good. So I had copped this. If you didn't notice, I got it. Also, something else that I had copped, and I thought it was just so funny and cute, which is this damn bad boy right here. Focus. There we go. Yes, sir. I had to cop this. I just thought it was so dope because when I first seen it, I had to get this rubber, rubber duck. Because at first I thought it was actually one of like the paper mache ones that I have like right there. Well, let me see. Yeah, like right here. I thought it was one of these, but then I actually looked up close. Like, oh shit, it's a fucking rubber ducky. So I'm like, let me cop that because that's just kind of dope. And also I seen on somebody IG, they put it in the water and the shit just capsized. It just went to the side and started floating. So it didn't actually float how it's supposed to, but it's cool. I don't give a damn. It's just display piece anyway. So I thought it was really dope. Had the copy. It was like what, $25, $30 for this. I should have bought multiple of these so I can just resell them. Cause I thought these were like a really dope like little novelty item to keep around and show off. But yeah, I had copped this a couple weeks ago and I ain't disappointed. All right, next we are going to get into the boxes. If you paid attention to last week's drop, you know what what's in these boxes. I'm just saying, if you paid attention. Let's go ahead and crack it on. I don't know what's in here. I don't know which one it is, so I'm just going at it. All right. I know I'm reselling some of these. Okay, all right. So starting off, hold up. I'm gonna have a whole bunch of these. Hold on, what the hell? Before we get into it, I like how they doing the new the receipt holders. Fire. I guess the season of the Bulldog. And this came with, god damn it, Moon. It came with more, bruh. It came with more of these little shampoo packets from the, what is it called? Shit, I forgot what's called. The new section he got on the website. Also, all orders came with these towels. I'm keeping one and I'll give away the rest. Would I give away the rest? But anyway, they were doing this again with the human made towels. I had got one a long time ago when I first started unboxing. I got like the black print, so these came with the red print this time. So I think I have 5 of these. Shit, do I want to give them away? If y'all want me to give the other 4 away, let me know. Y'all can have them, and I'm keeping one for myself. So I'll just say yes. Just say yes, give away the towels, the hand towels, and I'll do a giveaway. And if you say yes, give away the towels, you automatically included in winning one of 4. So, yep, got these. So next, we're gonna go with the human made. They came out with a whole bunch of dad hats. Yes, sir. This one I will be reselling. I'm not gonna keep this one because it's just that green just too bright for me. I just like the subtle green and earth tones. But I do like the tiger on the hat, but I'm gonna resell it. But if you want a cop, if it's sold out, let me know. I'll give y'all a dope ass price on it. Not too crazy. Again, next, we're gonna get into it. We put it back in the box. Oh shit. Yeah, put it right there. Okay, let me see something. I think this one kind of heavy. I think 2 of them. Okay, we're just gonna go with this one. I'm just randomly picking. So, damn, should've brought my knife down here. Okay. Again, towel, if you want it. Yes, I want the towel. Just put that. Yes, give away the towel. Something about the towel, you're automatically in it. Now this hat, this is a keeper. I ain't giving it away. Man, this is so hard. This hat right here. This shit is fire, bruh. Then it's giving me ideas for some things that I want to do. Y'all will see later. But yeah, it got this, like this brown and yellow, 2 really good complementary colors. These earth tones, perfect for the fall, just to get that fall feeling. So yeah, I had to cop this because at first I was debating. I'm like, do I really want this one? Do I want this one? So I was like, yeah, I'll just go ahead and get it. This is like the last thing that I had bought on Friday. With this hat, it said the future is in the past. If you know what that means, you know what it means. If you don't know what it means, ask somebody about it. Or go follow my boy, Futuristic Gears. Go follow my boy. He'll have some information up and let you know what certain things mean because he have all the information. He have everything damn near dealing with human made. So follow my boy, Futuristic Gears. I have a link down below to the IG. So next we got 4 more boxes. Really 4, meaning the last shoe box that I got. And I will not be doing a on foot, so don't be expecting that. Again, we got another one of these, another towel. All right, so, okay, we're gonna do this one. These 2 I'm gonna keep. The next 2 I'm gonna show y'all I'm keeping. All right, so this one, this is the keeper. It's the white, the navy blue and white version of it. The futures is in the past. Hat, I just like how the way they stitch these on and embroidered on. It's just sick as hell. No graphics, just text. And also, I just see where Nigo just did something new on the inside to keep that hat like up and not folded in and fucked up. Just says human made on the inside. So look, I guess that's another thing to look out for. Also, I just noticed new tagging on the inside. So new tagging right there with yellow and red square with the black heart human made in the middle. So that's a new one. There's no longer, I guess, the Storm Cowboy and the hats moving forward. So that's something to look out for as well. Moon, why are you in a box? Look at this. Look at this. No, you stay. Look at this. Unbox the cat. That's you, buddy. Anyway. All right, get out. There we go. All right, so the next one, and he jumping back in. I may just keep these boxes for him and make him a little house or something. That'd be funny. But next, I have another hat that is a keeper that is not leaving the rotation. And it's the Bulldog hat. Fire as shit. Simple as hell. This is a keeper. This is a keeper. Hard. Next. Woo! Oh, yeah, that's it. There we go. Again. Another paper, another hand towel. If you want it, let me know. Just say towel giveaway. Yes, I want a towel giveaway. Something dealing with a towel. Then I do a giveaway. All right, next. This is the keeper. Not getting rid of this one. Bro, what is you doing? All right, so it's been a while since we've seen some human-made black hats. Had to cop this one. Dope as hell. Got the polar bear on the front. Just a human-made dry alls. Can't beat it. Again. Look out for this moving forward because they switching up the tags. No more storing cowboy. Now it's just the black heart and this on the inside too. Bruh, get out. You're so bad, bruh. I forget, I miss. JD, clean this up. You got me? That's why I hate doing these, bruh. Nah.
Your mic is on?
Yep. All right, another one. Y'all want it, you know what to say down below in the comment section. All right. Oh, shit. I may keep those. I got a whole bunch of hats, bro. I got a whole bunch of hats.
How many hats you got?
Exactly. I'm reselling something on though. I gotta get my money back. Anyway, we got that dope motherfucker with the khaki colorway, keeping this one. I was thinking about reselling, but I was just looking. I was like, yeah, I'm gonna keep it. Hard as hell again. New tag on the inside. There it is. And I'm moving on the table, being nosy. So yeah, these are the hats that I caught. So I would be reselling.
Are you selling this one?
Keeping it. Shit, most of these I'm really keeping. I thought I was gonna sell a lot of them, but I'm like, damn. Seeing them in person? Okay. You wanna be a little smart ass? I'm just kidding. All right, so that's it for the hat. So bruh. This guy. We ain't doing no on foot, crazy edit video. Just because I'm showing shoes, I'm just showing y'all. Bro, move. So, I copped these last week. Say something.
Nice.
Yeah. Hold up. Hey, man, fuck it. So, I copped these motherfuckers. Caught me some more New Balances. The colorway just too hard. Too hard. Focus. There it is. Yeah, so I had to cop some new New Balances. Some more New Balances. So I like the colorway that it's got going on. Got like this cranberry going on with some more of that little green, like a tealish green with that mustard yellow at the bottom with that gum bottom. Woo! Can't go wrong, gum bottom. I also have a little bit of those colors in the end. And you just got this gray suede. Yeah, gray suede all around. And you got that suede on with this cranberry color as well. Bro, what is you doing? And yeah, this is a simple shoe. This is gonna be a fall wear because I looked at this and I'm like, this is a fall colorway all the way. So yeah, caught me some more New Balances. These shoes are so affordable. And I'm still thinking about getting a New Balance on 550s. I'm really gonna give me a pair or two of those. So yeah, that's all that I caught, bro. Y'all killing me. If y'all do, this is a 20-minute video, y'all. 20 minutes. So I hope y'all enjoyed. I got a lot to clean up and I hate doing this. But yeah, if y'all want them towels, again, just put yes, we want the towel down in the comment section. And then I'll randomly pick somebody and I'll hit y'all up and let you know that you won. And I'll tell y'all to send me your address and I'll send you the towel. But with that being said, thank y'all for watching. Like, comment, subscribe down below. Hit that notification bell because I'll drop every Sunday. And I will be sprinkling in some videos like throughout the week as well, just to give y'all a little bit of a treat in the week. And yeah, that's the whole video. I hope y'all have a good week and good month, whatever. And I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.